What's up, everyone? How you doing today? It's a beautiful day out, and we are having our first real boating day of the season. I think we're gonna be putting in at Fort De Soto boat ramp. It was closed down for hurricanes, so we're gonna put in there. We had a little bit of wind, so we're gonna play it safe. Head to the north side of Shell Key. We should be a little more protected there. And we got some boat sammies, some sandwiches.
We're gonna come back. Here. We got the pool. We got it cranked up to 85 degrees.
Sweet.
It was 72 degrees, but yeah, we got it at 85. So we're gonna come back, jump in the pool. This is something that we've been talking about, dreaming of. That we'll be able to come back, park our boat in the driveway, wash her down, flush the engine, and jump in the pool. She's been working on the lights. So we're gonna get that going. This is gonna be a nice little setup. So we got to finish our prep. We haven't done this it's been a few months.
Yeah. I had a little checklist because we'd always inevitably forget something. We'd remember it when we got out on the boat. So I had a little checklist, and it was like on the door as you walk out, and we forgot it.
We forgot.
we moved, and it's
probably still on the door.
Yeah.
So we forgot the checklist. So we're gonna wing it. I think we've got the drinks, we've got the mimosas, so we'll be doing that. We got the sandwiches, we've got waters. I put my sunscreen on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice. We'll see what the water temperature is. We got the GPS boat plug, all that good stuff. Yeah, the boat plug, boat keys. We should be good. But also too, we're gonna collect some shells, right? Because we're gonna get over at Shell Key. We've got some of our shells over here that we've collected. So we're gonna get some more and do some more like that. We're really trying to do like more of a beach or a coastal Florida stuff. So, but we gotta get going because it's starting to get late, a little bit later than usual. So we're gonna catch you out there on the water. Peace.
Fort De Soto open?
The ramp's open. I don't know if all of Fort De Soto is open. I saw a post saying that they're doing it in phases or something. I don't believe everything is open. See how this does, because we got a little bit of wind out here today. Yep, we got the glasses. No, we don't have the expensive stuff. They had a BOGO. We're gonna have that. We'll have that tomorrow, I think. I think that'll be the play. North side of Shell Key. So the first mimosa hour on the boat for 2025. Oh, it's nice. This is a good little location, huh? Mm-hmm. We don't come to this side of Shell Key, the north side, that often. But it's definitely nice. You got Tierra Verde back there in the background. All right, so you ready for your drink here?
Nope.
Sweet.
Just calm down.
Just relax. You don't have to yell at me like that. And you got my towel. Got my towel there. Now, Ryan, would you hold mine for me?
Yep.
Right.
Be careful now.
I'm gonna try.
Check my work.
Shoot. Oh, these old bones. Oh yeah. There we go. Cool. Thank you, babe. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go. Do get questions about our boat. You know, our boat is it's a 20-foot Starcraft deck boat. And we got the Evinrude outboard, the 135. Definitely enjoy it. You know, it's a good boat for our needs. Some big boats are creating some wake. We'll have to kind of slow down a little bit and all that. But other than that, I like the fact that she doesn't use much gas.
And she's very portable.
Yeah. Yes. Easy to move around. All right.
Check it out.
Check it out. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. And those boys will stay. Remember, we were driving around trying to beat that storm, and we had it on there. That thing.
These were a good purchase.
Good purchase for sure.
Next time we have a group outing, I'll get maybe another set.
Oh yeah. Those are really good. So we need to go to Orlando soon. Kabuki Sushi. We normally go for my birthday, but we just had so much stuff going on with the house, so we had to postpone that as well. So we're gonna try to do that shortly. Try to get that trip in there. That'll be fun. Also, maybe a weekend at the Vinoy again. That was fun. Be tourists, walk around.
Yeah.
And I think Egmont's still closed. So. All right, let's enjoy these. We're gonna enjoy these mimosas. And talk to you guys in a bit. So we just kind of finished up our mimosa hour. We had our sandwiches. So now we're gonna do what we came here to do, and that's to get some shells. So we're gonna head on out there. The water's cold, but we'll make it work.
Oh, I don't want to be cold.
Yeah, you gotta be cold.
No.
Let me see how deep it is. It shouldn't be too bad. Let's see. No, it's not too bad. It's great. You're gonna love it.
You're lying. You're a lying liar who lies.
No, I feel like I'm in the Caribbean. Turks and Caicos. Go. Oh, can you bring my drink too? You got it. It's not that deep, hopefully. Just do it.
Oh God.
Woo,
yeah. Ow.
Let's see. All right, so we got
I want this.
What? What are you doing?
I want this shell right here.
Oh, I'm not getting it. That's too cold.
You said it wasn't cold.
I lied.
Somebody's probably home. Look how pink it is.
Oh, yeah. Did you get it? So that's the shell tree there. So now we got a bunch of these boys.
Oh.
Yeah, oh yeah. So snatch some of those guys. Oh. Yeah, there's a whole bunch here. They must have. Oh yeah, even those other guys have fallen off and stuff. Yeah, there's a whole bunch. Cool.
I don't want to take them all.
Oh, you don't have to take them all, but we'll find more and stuff.
Some of them don't have holes.
No, well, drill holes, right?
No, I know. Okay. I'm just saying.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Let's see, like this little boy here. See, he'll work. Yeah, what we'll do is we'll just start getting some, and then we can drill holes on them, and then stick them on our tree. It's a busy day out here. Oh, we're gonna create something kind of like this where people put the shells on the tree. So we were able to accomplish what we had wanted to do for today. Look at all these boys too. It'd be cool to just scoop all these up, right?
I know, just scoop them up with a
shovel.
Just bring them home.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I did want to get a little bit of sand too.
Oh yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll finish my water and
Okay.
put it in there.
Okay, cool. Need help with anything, or you got?
I think I got it.
Smelling salt. See, it's refreshing.
Watch out, that big boy. There was somebody home in that guy.
Oh, was there?
Yeah.
Be careful. Woohoo! Yahtzee! GoPro, stop recording.
Thank you. Okay. Go swimming?
All right, so we are back here, finally living the dream that we've been wanting to do. I think the pool needs to be a little bit warmer though.
Like
dog, what are you doing? We're trying to film, dog. We're trying to...
It's
kicking. Yeah, the heater just kicked on. So I had set for 85, but it's February. It's warmer than out there at Shell Key. So
this is fine. It's not like
it's
bath
not
water.
It's not a hot tub. I mean, it feels great. So fortunately, we do have the pool heater in it. It also has a chiller. So I guess if it gets too hot, we can kind of cool things down. But I don't know. We'll see. All right, we'll go ahead and we're gonna end it here right now for tonight. Peace.